Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and I have another 2025 Brinkley. This is another Model Z, a 3515, and I just really enjoy Brinkley. They, in my opinion, make a very, very attractive, in so many ways attractive, RV. So this is a fifth wheel, and it has something. Well, you know what? I'm not going to show you the off-camp side because I have a surprise for you. So we have rear storage, as you can see there. And let's get inside where I can show you the surprise. There's the 3515 badging. So as we walk in, right away you're greeted with the gathering room. But you can see right across the room, that's what I'm talking about. We have a back door to an office area. So ever since COVID, people started working remotely, and it really opened up possibilities. They were there all the time, but people just didn't really take advantage of it. But now, because of the environment, so many people work remotely. And we also have a televator. I have it in the halfway up position just to show you. Fireplace down here. But check this office out. So we have a back door, so you can come and go as you please. Plenty of cabinet space and drawer space. And then look at the amount of room underneath the desk. And you can raise and lower the desk. Let's see if we can get this to... That must not be, the breaker must not be turned on. But you can raise and lower that desk, which makes it very nice. And you could work from here, have your laptop set up here or a desktop, and then also have files here. And then we have plenty of lighting, plenty of cabinets, and the cabinets go all the way through. Let me show you here as well. And I'm going to leave that cabinet open, and you can see it's blocked right there. So these cabinets are open, these three are open. But boy, if you have your own business or you work remotely and you want to travel, this is such a great option for you. In my opinion, it checks a lot of the boxes, if not all the boxes. And then Brinkley, per usual, they have your LED lighting in the pantry as well as your outlet for your margarita mix machine. And then you can see the desk and eating station option. Let's go ahead and make a light. Very, very nice. As we head upstairs, nice bathroom, shower, commode, hooks on the wall for your clothing, plenty of cabinet space, as you can see here. And I'm going to see if I can show the accent lighting. And then if you want to turn off the accent lighting and turn on the main cabin lighting in the bathroom, or all of the lighting. Really an impressive setup in my opinion. As we step up into the bedroom, or over into the bedroom, we have cubbies there on the wall for magazines, books, whatever you happen to want to read. And we have lighting in the closet. And then if you're a weekend warrior, you could just use this for additional hang-up clothes. If you go for a longer period of time, due to the fact you work remotely, you can have a stackable washer and dryer setup, which would work oh so nicely. Flat screen TV, bank of drawers, and then we'll work our way back down the steps. And I'm going to stop right here just to show you from another vantage point just what you're looking at. So again, 2025 Brinkley Model Z 3515 fifth wheel. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below, and we'll catch you on the next video.